Hey, it's Terry. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Now I'm doing low carb while I'm in maintenance. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're going to do something different for breakfast tomorrow. Kind of, sort of different. Part of it's a little different. We are going to try these. You know, I bought, it ain't clean, so I'm not telling you you should go buy it by any stretch of the imagination. I mean, in all things, do what works best for you. Don't do something just because you see Terry try it, because this might not agree with you. And that's okay. Just because what you eat agrees with you don't mean it'll agree with me. So we are going to try these. They are fully cooked, original breakfast turkey patties. Remember the other day I did a video whenever I was comparing those chips? Well, I read the ingredients on these. And, but man, these are so much cheaper. Make sure I got it sealed up. I don't think I did. I think I'm going to put it in a big old Ziploc bag. Hold up. Just want to verify they're fully cooked. So that way there's not some weird instructions that I need to know about. Alright, this is how I do stuff. I got time to be fighting with some Ziploc bag, you know, that don't want to seal every day. That's too annoying. I ain't got time for all that business. So, now, after I'm going to put them in there, in my refrigerator, and I'm going to label it turkey sausage. If you can't eat this, then that's okay. Don't eat it. Just do what works for you, okay? Yeah, because that's what I'm having. Watch out, puppy dog. Next up, I'm also going to take with it a yogurt and cottage cheese. I need my little scale. I'm going to have my yogurt. If I could get these cheap in a one serving container, then I might just buy them that way, but it's cheaper to buy this dealie. So, I'm going to use a fork, because I don't use forks very often. So listen, when I have to use a utensil for stuff, I try to use something that I don't use too often. And that way, I'm not using something that I'm going to run out of in any way. So, we're using a fork. Just go with it. You all just took a spill. Baxter got nervous because I was doing something too close to him. And he knocked you all down. Alright, so let's get this open here. One serving of this is 113 grams. So, I'm going to turn this on. And we're going to zero it out, and we're going to add 113 grams. There's 60. 109. 117. All right. So, for breakfast tomorrow, we'll have a yogurt and cottage cheese and a turkey patty. So this should defrost by the time we get there. By the time I get to work. So that's going to be my breakfast in the morning. I'm not going to take I have them made up. I might as well have it too. Hold on. I made these up the other night. I'm like, might as well have the avocado. So I'm going to put in some of my guacamole and more seasoning. Come on, little fella. There we go. All right. So there we go. That'll be breakfast. Now we're moving on to lunchtime. So supper, looks like my veggie that I have is, that is I think that was mashed turnips and the onion gravy. So, oh, shut up, Siri. So, one of these ground beef, yeah, buddy. We're going to have that tomorrow night for supper. It's going to be so good. Let me put it away. Oh, and I'll put this away too. Hang on. Okay. Now, so what looks like we're going to have is some Alfredo, some pork, Alfredo, and riced chicken. So we're going to have that. So then let's get our salad ready. Oh, and I got to get an apple, you guys. Hang on. Hold on. Hold on. I just keep leaving you all. Just a minute. Just a minute. Now, what's that from? I don't know what that's from. Salad. So let's get our salad going. We're going to add in some peppers. I'm going to go ahead and make a new one of these for my peppers. So I'll take a new paper towel, fold it over, and put it in, because it has absorbed a lot of moisture from these peppers, just like you all taught me to do. Let's see. And we're going to add some tomatoes. Uh-oh, Lou's winding up, y'all. I hear him. If it gets loud, I can't help it. That's my boy in there. He's telling somebody off. He's saying, hey, you kids, get off my lawn. One more. Ah, come on, come on. Cucumbers. There we go. So now I'm gonna put in some of my all the vinegars, pickled stuff. I tell you, I love to mix all the vinegars. I love it, love it, love it. One more, one more. There we go. All right, so that's that part. Now, oh, I ran to Aldi's today because I needed, what did I need? First of all, here. I needed some bacon for this weekend for, I've been watching videos about not how to make these, but how to make refried beans. They did it out of dry beans, but let's put some garlic clover seasoning on here and some ranch seasoning on here. Anyway, I've been watching some people on YouTube, and I think I know what I can do. And then some farm dust. So anyway, I went to Aldi's, and I picked up some bacon, and I picked up some 80-20 ground beef. Because then that way I'll go on and have some made up this weekend, along with the other stuff I'm making. It was like a 4.5 pound container instead of my big old fat boy that I usually get, instead of 10 pounds. You don't get the 10 pound ones at Aldi's, those are at Walmart, and those are 73%. I haven't seen a 80-20 of the big fat boy of the ground beef. You know what I'm talking about? The one that I always get. But anyway, that's all right. Okay, so with my salad, this. I can't talk to y'all and think at the same time. Be quiet. Shh. Be quiet. Be quiet. All right. So my lunch, and yogurt and cottage cheese, avocado, and this. All right. We're going to see what we think of that little booger tomorrow. All right. That's our supper. Or breakfast. You guys. That's our breakfast and lunch. I already have my coffee and my little Keurig cup back here. And I'm going to add some my chocolate electrolytes. I'm going to have to make some of those probably this weekend. I better put that on my list of things to do this weekend. So I'll have that ready. And that right there. And I'll do that in the morning. Put this away. And I'll see you at breakfast. Bye. Hey, it is my Thursday. But when you get this will officially be my 1-year anniversary for being, on maintenance mode. My plan is Saturday morning, I want to make sure I weigh. So that way, I can just compare. Avocado. Cottage cheese and yogurt. I'm going to get this mixed up here. I'm not adding any flavoring to it yet. I want to see if this is enough. Last time I did it, a couple times it was plenty. I didn't have to add anything to it. So, let me see. And our great value turkey sausage. That's good. I don't want to have to make stuff all the time, you know? I mean, I can. But it's nice if I don't have to, because then if I don't want to have eggs one day, then, you know, it just makes the stuff that I already made sit there longer. So, anyway, yeah. So that's my breakfast. I'll see you lunchtime. Bye. It's lunchtime. And I have my, I don't know, I don't even remember what it is. Rice, chicken, and chicken something. Tastes good. Let me tell you. Chicken don't last but 5 minutes and I'm hungry again. So I might be, I don't know if I got anything else around, but we'll see. And then my big old salad. I got my bass. My big A-word salad. There's still another one of these. I might have this with it. This is what was left in the break room the other day. Grass-fed beef, mini beef stick. So, all right, gotta go to a webinar. Bye. Okay, so somebody better write this down. Terry is gonna use glass. What you say? So I opened up the thing that my friend gave me with the glass containers, and I thought I'm gonna do it. So tonight we are going to be making our own version, our homemade version of cottage pie. I did this the other day, but first I need to soften this up for a minute, so hang on. So the reason why I microwave it first is it kind of helps soften up that fat and helps it come out of the container a little bit better. And obviously it wasn't enough on that one, so I'm going to nuke this for 30 seconds while I'm putting the rest of this together. Now, shepherd's pie is where they have, you know, meat. Now listen, oh yeah, y'all said it's called a cottage pie because I'm using ground beef. I don't have, what you call that? Lamb. I don't have that lamb. So I'm just putting peas and carrots in there. Not a lot. Maybe about 1/4 of a cup. Maybe. Now, the rest of this out here. Got to get that fat in there. Can't let that go to waste. Now. Remember I did this the other day. I put all this in one thing. This is mashed rutabaga with the onion gravy. I'm going to put that right on top here. Man, you don't have to use onion gravy. You can just use the mashed rutabaga. Yeah, my container is a little bit big, but that's all right. So now, I do know it needed more salt when I did it the other day. Let's add in some garlic lovers. We're going to add in some farm dust. Now, we're going to put this lid on it, and we're going to microwave it for about a minute. We'll microwave for 2 minutes, and I'll be back. Let's see if 2 minutes was long enough. We can go a little longer, so I'll see you in 1 more minute. Now, let's try it again. Okay. I'm just going to mix it together because it's how I am. I don't care about the pretty layers and all that good stuff. We're just going to, we got to gum it up into like a casserole kind of situation here. I want to have all the flavors in all of the bites. Y'all. It's going to be so good. I don't care what nobody says. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. You can make your own shepherd's pie. Just mash up some turnips. Take some ground beef. You don't even have to use peas and carrots. Just leave them out. So, you can season it up with whatever seasonings remind you of a nice homemade beef meal. All right, let's take a taste, y'all. As a kid, I was always gumming stuff and mixing stuff, and so my mom would always like, Terry, that looks gross. But that's how this looks. So she's like, you could just take a bite of more than one thing and put it on your spoon. Girl, that slowed me down. I got to stir it all up so I can shovel it. I have been a shoveler since my early years. So, let's see. Yup. You can make your own shepherd's pie. I'm really sad I haven't gotten any of the mashed rutabaga. I think I made a couple of the mashed rutabaga with this, but I don't know. We're going to find out. But I got that and some fruit, and that's going to be supper. All right, bye. So, hey, before I go, let me tell you. I joined my church, and I really want to do something with the church, with something. I just want to do something at my church. And I just feel like I'm being led to. I told you I thought about doing didn't want to do the cafe, but I thought about doing the swag shop, or you can buy mugs and shirts and stuff. I thought about that one. But I am not kidding you. For about the past 3 days, there's been this little voice in the back of my head, and it's saying, volunteer with the little kids. And I'm like, nope. And then, hey, psst, psst, Terry, volunteer with the little kids. I don't think so. And it's still going on in the back of my head. Now, one of two things. It's either God saying, come on, Terry, get in there and help out them little kids and spend time with them little kids. Or it's the devil saying, get in there. Go in there and let me traumatize you around them kids. I haven't figured it out yet, but I just thought I'd tell you all. That's what's going on in the back of my head. Psst, psst, hey, Terry, volunteer with them little kids. And if I did, it would be like the 3 to 7, 8-year-olds. I don't know how it's broken down at church. But anyway, yeah, I just thought I'd share with y'all. How funny is that? Me, Miss Anti-Kid. Like I said, it's either God or the devil. I haven't figured out which one yet, but I'm just going to keep praying on it. But, yeah. For those of you who know me on here, y'all know that's a big thing. It would be from 8:30 till 9:30. Because they have kids church at the same time as they have adults church for each service. So I would do the 8:30 to 9:30, and that way I did 10 o'clock service. No problems. Dadgum, this is good. Mashed turnips and ground beef. Y'all, try it. Try it. Anyway, yeah, so, say a prayer for me, because I don't know. But probably what I'll do is when I go Sunday, I'll talk to one of the ladies out at the desk and talk to them about how does it work, what are the age groups, could someone kind of shadow one time and see if it's okay and see if it's the right thing, because I just don't know. I don't want to commit, that's for sure. Anyway, you're in the loop with me. You know what I know, so okay, bye.